Ultimate Love, Cherry and Michael have ended their relationship after 7 months. Cherry ends their relationship. Recall that Michael had already proposed to Cherry and they were supposed to get married sometime this year. But recently, in a recent post on her Instagram page, Cherry announced that the relationship between her and Michael has ended. According to her, she went to the Ultimate Love reality TV show to find love, but they were deceitful and untrustworthy, lying, heartless creatures who went on the show as well. In a post, she said, "Hey lovers, I love and appreciate all my cherished shippers enough not to keep you all in the dark for too long with unanswered questions. As most of you are aware, I went in search of love and a possible forever partner at Ultimate Love reality TV show. But unfortunately, as long as it is mundane thing, deceitful, untrustworthy, lying, heartless creatures will still be found there, so crash 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 goes my true intent. I have always said physical abuse ain't the only type of abuse in relationship. There's the most dangerous one, which is mental abuse, and trust me, you don't want to experience that. So let me not stress much on the matter. I just want to thank every Michere supporter for the love and support and also apologize for any inconveniences. Please try to understand that not all that glitters are gold. Not every relationship ends in marriage, and most importantly, one's sanity and inner peace is non-negotiable. On the other news, Dr. Cherry is a brand and very much open for collaboration, business deals, everything cashable. You already know your girl is hardworking and multi-talented. So come true, please. Feel free to be happy or sad. It's a fucking free world where we still get buried along at the end of our life journey. We move, she said. So guys, this has come as a rude shock to everyone to know that me Cherry of Ultimate Love have broken up. So from all this that has happened to our ex-housemate of the Ultimate Love, can we still say the Ultimate Love reality TV show was a success? Because right now we are only left with Double Chris, who are set to get married this December, and then the winner of the show, Rosie and Kachi. They are the only surviving relationship we have from Ultimate Love Season 1 show. What do you think about the show, and do you think there should be a Season 2 of the show? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.